guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty. This is Devyani and my first monthly favorites video is here. Yes, this is my January favorites, so please keep on watching. Also be subscribed to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on all my social media, the links are down in the description box as usual. And without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the most random things first. First and foremost, the one thing that I am absolutely loving is my short hair. I have not went this short since 8th standard. 8th standard was the last time I had this short hair, so I am really loving it. Many people asked me why I cut my long hair. It is because I just wanted to experiment with my hair, and as I say, baal hi to hai bad jayenge. So yeah, this is the best thing that I have done in 2019. Coming to the second thing is my bullet journal. I already have 3 videos of my bullet journal on my channel. If you haven't checked them out, go check it. I'll link them in the description box. And yeah, my bullet journal is helping me stay organized, stay productive. So yeah, it is going really great. That is my second favorite. Coming to the third favorite is flowers. I don't know why I am in love with flowers. Everywhere I go, I am just clicking pictures of flowers, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much of my feed is filled with flowers. So yeah, that is the most random thing that I am loving recently. Coming to the food section, the first thing that I had like at the starting of January when I was in Pune, I had Shev Pav. Now I have seen Shev Pav for quite a lot of time in Pune, and I was really skeptical about trying it out. I was like, Shev Pav kaun khata hai? And this time I thought I should give it a try, and I had it. Like, I had it on a sharing basis with Pooja, but then it changed my mind and I was not really interested in sharing it with her. So the next time I had it alone, and since then I am in love with Shev Pav. So I am looking forward to going Pune and having Shev Pav. I don't know where you get it in Mumbai, so if you know, let me know in the comment section below. I am looking forward to Pune for Shev Pav only. The next is the Gujarati thali that I had in Rajkot at Hotel Bhava at Panchvati Road, I think. It is unlimited thali and it is like a Gujarati thali, big one. I have a photo posted on my Instagram. It was amazing. That is like the first Gujarati thali that I had in my life. So yeah, that was like really great and I really loved it. Coming to the skincare and makeup and hair and all that sort of section, the first thing that I am loving is this Nivea roll-on. I hope you can see it. So yeah, I am not a roll-on person. I don't use roll-ons because they irritate my skin. But this one, I saw so many reviews about it and I thought I should give this a try. And I am loving it since that day. Every single day I am using this one. So yeah, this is my new favorite and this is definitely gonna stay in my skincare and makeup kit. The next thing is the BoroPlus cream. Now actually what happened was I got a smaller version free with something at home and it was just lying there, so I thought I should give it a try. It has been so many years that this is in the market and I did not give it a try. Since like childhood I am listening to BoroPlus, but I did not give it a try, and when I got it free I tried it and I loved it. I used it as a moisturizer as well as for my bruises. I constantly hit somewhere and I had like these bruises on my hands from I don't know what, but I used it for that and it is really great. So this is actually the one that I recently bought, the bigger bottle. I had the like smaller, the free sample version I had. So coming to the next thing is the Head and Shoulders shampoo. This is the 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner in the smooth and silky variant. So again, a backstory about this is when I was in Pune, I forgot to carry my shampoo and conditioner. So when I went to buy like the sachets, I saw this and I got this. So I thought I should give it a try. I usually use Head and Shoulders, the cool menthol one. So I thought this has 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I don't have to buy a conditioner separately, so I just got this one. And this is like making my hair behave, and I am using this for like since December end I think, and the whole January I have used this. So I have shown this in my morning routine as well as in my hair routine. I am currently using this. So I think this is my like winter shampoo and conditioner. Next we have the film, television and the music section. So firstly, I am loving the Gully Boy trailer and the songs. I am really excited for its release. I'm gonna watch the first show or maybe the second show because I'll maybe get up late. So yeah, I'll be watching it on the first day because duh, Ranveer. And I am really obsessed with the Meri Gali Mein song and Apna Time Aayega. Like, that is constantly running everywhere. My next favorite is the Lamborghini song, the Punjabi song, and I saw the viral video of the girl dancing to it and I instantly got like addicted, and that has been like in loop in my head. So yeah, I'll take some time with that song. Next, I saw the Manikarnika movie. It is really great. Now, I really loved the movie, but what has happened is we have seen Bahubali, we have seen the Sanjay Leela Bhansali films, so we expect all the period dramas to be huge and humongous, and the sets and the costumes and everything. Manikarnika is a little bit not to that scale. So yeah, I really liked it, but just because it was not up to that scale, it was like, yeah, okay, one time watch. The next trailer that I watched was Anandi Gopal. It is a Marathi movie based on the first Indian female doctor, Anandibai Joshi, and yeah, it is quite amazing. The songs are really good. I am like addicted to those songs as well. Those are like my favorites now. And it is releasing on 15th of February. I'll probably watch it with my family. So yeah. And coming to the television, I am obsessed with Ratris Khel, the second season. I did not watch the first season that interestedly, like I did not have an interest. I don't watch scary movies and scary things, but Ratris Khel 2 has been like, it has been great. I am addicted to it. I have not missed a single episode and I just love it. So yeah, that's it for my January favorites. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll be coming up with my February favorites next time. So yeah, keep following me, be subscribed to my channel, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.